So in this video, we'll talk about how to convert the email receive time to local time. So let's create a new flow, and I will create automatically cloud flow and give it name convert. Okay. When an email received, when I receive an email and I select Office 365, when an email arrived, okay, great. So when an email received, let's see the receive time. I will add the action, and I will do variables, initial variable. So the name of the variable, I will see time, receive time, R time, okay? And the type is the string. Value is the value when a new email arrives. I will use in the receive time, okay? So let's save it and test it. I will send an email to my email box. When I receive the email, it will give me the receive time. The receive time actually is UTC time, it's not my local time. You can see in my computer, my local time is November 16. But when I write in the Power Automate, the receive time is okay. So I finished run that, and you can see the value of my receive time is November 17. Okay, and 4 a.m. It has actually it has a 5 time zone difference. So how to convert the UTC time to my local time? Let's do the next. I will add action to convert. Okay, so I will see convert time zone. Convert time zone under data time. Okay, so the base time is the variable receive time. I will use the function and the variables. Then I will input the name of the variable is R time. Alright. So I pass the initial variable to here, and the source time zone is UTC, and the destination is my local time. Okay. In my case, it's a 5 hours difference, and I will use in the format as doesn't matter which format you choose. In my case, it's PM, so I will use in the PM function. Okay. Then let's save it. And then I will run the test again. Manual test. And in this case, I will send an email to myself. So in this video, I will show you how to convert the UTC time to my local time, because actually the Power Automate the receive time is UTC time, it's not my local time. So in my next video, I will show you how to generate auto-reply email. For example, if you only work in the afternoon, there is no option to create an automate every day afternoon, morning, auto-reply say, sorry, I'm not available because my work time is afternoon. So I will show you how to do the recursive automate only in the morning. Okay, so let's see the result. You can see the base time is UTC time is actually is tomorrow's time, and the output is convert to my local time 11. Okay, 11 p.m. Okay, 1 minute difference because it's received 1 minute early. Okay, so after that, how can you use that? Let's create another action. So for example, I convert that and I want to send an email. Send an email to other person. Okay, so I want to do the to for now, and the subject I can do any subject, and from here I want to show the convert time zone. Okay, so to do that you need to use the function again, and then you select dynamic contents and see the convert time zone, converted time. You choose that and add it to here. So that's how you use that. You find the function and go to dynamic, and then you can find the converted time here. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.